When you can't change the data, just change the data. That's the strategy the Delhi government is following to control pollution in the city, it seems. The Delhi government is spraying water outside air quality monitoring stations, hoping that this is going to reduce the AQI readings in the city. We're outside an air quality monitoring station in Delhi's Jahangirpuri, and right outside, a man has been deployed to constantly spray water. Even these water sprinklers have been deployed right outside these air quality monitoring stations to keep spraying water the entire day. People sprinkling this water have told us that this is the first year they've been asked to do this, and they started doing this just 1 month ago when the pollution season started. But unfortunately for the Delhi government and for the people of Delhi, this obviously doesn't reduce pollution even a bit, and I'll show you with data. The average AQI in the national capital currently is 258, but the average AQI in this area where this water is being sprayed, it's 313, which is worse than Delhi's average AQI right now. The most that this water can do is settle the dust around, but even that's not happening in this case because the air quality sensor is actually at the top of this structure and not inside. So if the government was doing this to manipulate AQI data, even that's not happening clearly. All that's happening is wastage of water, fuel, human resources, and at the end of the day, our taxpayer money.